Welcome to the Ontario Mortgage and Real Estate Insights Podcast, your go-to source for the latest developments, trends, and regulatory changes in the industry. I'm your host, Steve Hemelin, here to provide you with insights sourced from reputable news outlets to help you stay informed and make well-informed decisions.
This podcast is brought to you by Real Approved Inc., a trusted mortgage brokerage dedicated to helping Canadians achieve their homeownership dreams. Visit realapproved.ca to learn more about how our experienced team can assist you with your mortgage needs. Let's dive into today's episode.
Today, we're starting with a significant development in the Ontario real estate market, the freezing of accounts belonging to iPro Realty Limited as the Real Estate Council of Ontario, or RECO, starts an audit.
That's right, Steve. This is a pretty big deal, especially for the approximately 2,400 agents employed by iPro across 17 locations in the Greater Toronto Area and Southern Ontario. The regulator has taken this action to ensure that consumer deposits and commission trust accounts are safeguarded.
Yes, Janine, RECO uncovered shortfalls in iPro's consumer deposit and commission trust accounts earlier this year, amounting to approximately $10.5 million. This is considered a serious breach of the agency's responsibilities under the law and to its customers and agents.
It's really concerning to think about the impact this has on consumers and agents involved in pending transactions. RECO has assured that these transactions will be processed through Claims Pro LP, the insurance adjusters for the professional liability policy administered by RECO.
The RECO Board of Directors, with Chair Katie Steinfeld, emphasized their commitment to protect consumers and registrants. They've directed the Chief Executive Officer to take clear and concrete action to safeguard all parties involved and to improve RECO's ability to fulfill its mandate.
And Steve, what I appreciate is that Dentons Canada LLP has been hired to conduct an independent audit. Plus, an independent accounting firm will oversee iPro's windup, ensuring there's oversight for the remaining transactions and providing forensic audit services. That kind of transparency is crucial.
Absolutely, Janine. And as Katie Steinfeld mentioned, the vast majority of agents and brokers meet the highest level of integrity, delivering professional services to the public. The board is committed to holding any rogue players accountable for their actions.
It's reassuring to know that the board is dedicated to ensuring all real estate transactions are completed with honesty and integrity. Consumers in Ontario deserve to be protected, and this step from RECO is a move in the right direction.
Now let's shift our focus to the Canadian bond market, particularly the 10-year government bond yield, which has recently climbed above 3.47%. This rise has been influenced by firmer United States inflation prints and stronger activity data, pushing back the odds of near-term policy easing.
That's right, Steve. With these developments, we're seeing an impact on long-run real rates and inflation expectations. The political headlines surrounding the Federal Reserve have also added some short-term volatility to the mix.
Domestically, Canada is projected to surpass its previous record for debt issuance this fiscal year. This is largely driven by delayed budget announcements and potential new spending. It's important to keep an eye on how these factors might affect the economy in the long run.
Absolutely, Steve. And while the Bank of Canada has maintained its policy interest rate at 2.75% since March, there's been speculation about potential rate cuts. However, the central bank has yet to act on these speculations.
It's interesting to note the recent removal of retaliatory tariffs on United States goods. This move could be seen as a sign of collaboration, potentially reducing inflationary pressures and providing the Bank of Canada with more flexibility in its monetary policy.
Indeed, Steve. And with the current economic landscape, it's crucial for both consumers and investors to stay informed about these shifts. Understanding the nuances of bond yields and monetary policy can help in making well-informed financial decisions.
As we turn our attention to the real estate market in Hamilton, there's some promising news for potential homebuyers. With home prices having dipped significantly since the market's peak in February 2022, there are now some incredible opportunities for those looking to enter the market or invest in real estate.
Absolutely, Steve. It's heartening to see homes listed for under $400,000, especially in a city like Hamilton, which offers a unique blend of urban and suburban living. For many, this could be the perfect chance to own a home without breaking the bank.
You're right, Janine. Let's give our listeners a quick rundown of some of these properties. First up, there's a charming and cozy bungalow with a loft located at 21.5 Albany Avenue in Crown Point. Priced at $399,000, this two-bedroom, one-bathroom home is close to amenities like the Center on Barton and Ottawa Street, making it ideal for those seeking convenience.
And for those who are handy or looking for a project, there's a 1.5-story home at 223 East 8th Street on the Mountain, priced at $399,000. It's described as bursting with potential, which means it might need some work, but could become a lovely family home.
Indeed, Janine. Another noteworthy property is the semi-detached home at 231 Emerald Street North in Lansdale. Listed at $374,900, this two-bedroom, one-bathroom residence is conveniently located near grocery stores and a burgeoning Barton Street strip.
And let's not forget the downtown living option in Corktown with the semi-detached bungalow at 177 Yonge Street. For $399,900, you get a two-bedroom, one-bathroom home with extra space in the partially finished basement for a home gym or lounge.
For those needing more space, the newly renovated four-bedroom home at 29 Rowanwood Street is available for $399,900. Located north of Beach Road, between Gage and Ottawa, this property offers over 1,100 square feet of living space.
And in the Homeside neighborhood, the 1.5-story home at 273 Britannia Avenue features 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a newly built back deck. Priced at $399,999, it also boasts a sparkling new kitchen complete with a dishwasher.
These options showcase a range of possibilities for buyers, from move-in ready homes to those needing a bit of tender, loving care. It's a reminder that even in a fluctuating market, there are opportunities to find a home that fits your needs and budget.
Exactly, Steve. It's important for buyers to explore their options and consider what they're looking for in a home. Whether it's location, space, or potential for renovation, Hamilton's real estate market is offering some great choices right now.
Thanks for tuning in to another episode of the Ontario Mortgage and Real Estate Insights podcast. We hope you found today's insights valuable as you navigate the world of mortgages and real estate.
Before you go, a quick reminder, Real Approved is here to make your mortgage journey smoother. Whether you're buying your first home or refinancing, their experienced team is ready to guide you with personalized support every step of the way. Visit realapproved.ca to get started and take the next step toward achieving your home ownership goals. Catch you next time and stay informed with the latest industry insights.